Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm a cook named Matt, sponsored chef in Seattle, Washington. In this video, I want to just give you my behind the scenes look at when I cooked for 35 YouTubers at an old restaurant I used to work at, Palace Kitchen, before I went full time on YouTube. It was a really fun experience. Hope you enjoy the video. Here, Joe Sasta was showing me how to make his Greenagnolotti pasta.
You say you put chlorophyll in this, dude?
Yeah, liquid chlorophyll, essentially the same stuff as in spinach. It makes it green, but I didn't have to take the time to blanch spinach. Work smarter, not harder.
Joe has been a good friend of mine for a couple years now, and he is known as the pasta guy. So of course I wanted him to make a pasta course at Palace Kitchen, specifically agnolotti, because that is something that is on Palace Kitchen's menu since I started. Before I started, for like over 20 years it's been on the menu, and it's just something I wanted to be able to serve to the YouTubers that came through. By the way, you might notice a lot of familiar faces on this video. I'm sorry if I'm not tagging them all. This is just a very short video. But anyways, yeah, Joe was just explaining to me the filling and how it comes together, and then we made a whole video on it. You can...
Dude, it feels good in here. You gotta feel this. It feels really
The
good.
walk-in fridge?
Oh, fuck. This is where you come to like just chill. We just have a fucking bottle right here. And had like tape on it and it said work less. It was filled with vodka all the time. Right?
It smells amazing.
Yeah, it feels good in here. Holy shit.
Better than the fire?
Yeah. Yeah, way better than fire.
Now here is the Woodfire Grill that I used to work on with my chef Nate, the bearded man that you see there, and then there's my chef Desi. He's the one that hired me at Palace Kitchen, so it was really rad to work with my old chefs again. You might notice these large cameras. They were just following me around all day because we're doing a deal with Sony and there's like a documentary, so stay tuned for that. Here's Mr. Senpai Kai helping us prep, and I made too much cheese sauce. I don't know why, that's what they were giving me shit about. And then I went on to grill off some octopus for a little dish that we made with like octopus and salad and stuff. Here's prime rib on the fire too. That was a really cool thing to do. Anyways, everyone's on the line. We're starting to get ready. People are showing up. Here's Justin Kana getting a little tasty taste of that prime rib. Thank you, Justin, for making everything happen, by the way. And here I am grilling off some scallops for the muse, and people were coming up to the kitchen. Oh, here's Chef Shota too. He's a good buddy of mine. But yeah, I really wanted everyone just to come up to the kitchen and make it feel like they're in the kitchen with us. So that was a really dope experience. We Bussin' is the name of the event. That's what we called it. Oh, here's Auntie Lila from the market, OG Filipina food. But yeah, I really loved this We Bussin' event. We're gonna do another one. I would really love to be able to have people come out and try our food. So let me know.